bounce, bounce to this.
Let's get information. Let's get information.
Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I'm bringing you guys another watercolor video with this 613 wig that I created using Ali Annabelle hair. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? If you caught my Instagram live, then you saw me making it on there. But anyway, I asked you guys a while ago if I should do pink or mint, and I got a lot of votes. It was a very close call, but mint won. So I'm gonna go ahead and watercolor this hair mint. But before I hop into this video, if you are new to my channel and you ain't never heard of us, Beauty Gang is stupid lit over here if you haven't already recognized that, and we'd love to have you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. Without further ado, let's watercolor. Alright y'all, so before I go ahead and watercolor this wig, I did want to just show you guys what it is looking like in terms of the hairline. My OGs already know that I have a low hairline, so because of that I always have to push back the hairline of a lace frontal wig, which I already did. So as y'all see, I pull it forward. Alright, this is my hairline, right? Lays right over top of it, but I had to push a lot back in the front. And I will say also, this lace is very sensitive. You might see little gaps and stuff here, because usually I just take a little bit of hair, twirl it, and pluck it out. But I did get a couple rips up in there, so yeah, this lace is kind of weak. But overall, the hairline is very nice, but it's also dense, so I'm gonna have to customize that a little bit. The hair overall is very dense. But yeah, I did want to just show you guys how the hair is looking before it goes under surgery. So let's hop into this coloring. Alright y'all, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this hot water into this bin, and then I'm gonna go in with Kiss Express colors and Icy Mint, and I'm gonna deposit 1 full bottle into the water. Well, initially it was gonna be 1 full bottle, but after I saw that the water was still kind of clearish, I went ahead and emptied another half bottle into there and mixed it up. Now from this angle, it does look a little bit more pigmented. I was wondering though, is it because I used so much water for this go round? Is that why the color didn't pick up well? But anyway, I put the wig in and set a timer for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes were up, as you can see, there's a lot of blonde spots still left. Like, it's like it never even happened, to be honest. There's like hints and streaks of the mint color, but for the most part, the wig is still blonde. So round 2, go back in with some more of the Kiss Express and Icy Mint, and I'm going to deposit another full bottle into the water. And as you see here too, I did decide to empty out a little bit more of the water as in the previous clip, because I thought it was a little bit too much, and maybe that's why the color wasn't picking up. So yeah, added the wig back into the water, added a little bit more hair dye, and then I let that sit for 5 minutes again. After that 5 minutes, check out the wig, and it's still blonde for the most part, y'all. So at this point, I'm like, all right, this hair dye isn't working. So I go ahead and add another hair dye to the mix. In this case, it's Crazy Colors Bubblegum Blue, and then I add some more of the Kiss Express Icy Mint hair dye, and then mix those two together. Once I'm done mixing the colors together, I redeposit the wig again for now the 3rd time. Stir it around and make sure it's fully saturated, and then I leave it in there for 5 minutes again. After those 5 minutes are up, you can see that the hair is a little bit more saturated than before, but there's still a lot of blonde hues in sections, so you can just tell that the color overall is not depositing well. Now at this point, I'm starting to get kind of frustrated and I have no idea what the issue is, so I go ahead and get a completely new tub of hot water, deposit whatever I have left of the Kiss Express Icy Mint, and then some more of the Crazy Color Bubblegum Blue. You see I go ham with it, right? Then I stir that all together, and then I reapply the wig again. Is this the 4th or 5th time? I don't even remember anymore. I go ahead and let the hair sit, I think this time for a good 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying. I kind of still saw like hues of blonde and stuff, but I know sometimes when the hair is wet, it doesn't give off the like true color of the hair, so I was kind of hopeful that by the time I blow dried it and stuff, the color would pop a little bit more, but as y'all can see, it actually kind of made the opposite happen, where the blonde popped even more. And you know what, I was gonna kind of be like, not so bad, maybe I can pull this off, because I felt like the blonde and different lighting, it kind of looked more mint than blonde. But as you guys can see from this angle, the majority of the wig is still blonde. But my dumb butt went ahead and flat ironed the whole entire wig and then tried it on after everything was flat ironed, and I realized this ain't it. So I had Josh take me to the beauty supply store where I picked up some more hair dye. In this case, it was the Adore hair dye in the color Jade, which I know isn't mint, but at the point when I put in the crazy color bubblegum blue, it was no longer going to be mint. It was just going to be in that family of like aqua color. So I left the hair in for a good 5 minutes, and now as you can see, the wig definitely took well to the color this time around. However, I still saw a few blonde spots, and I just refused to go out like that. So I go ahead and watercolor it one last time using the rest of the Adore hair dye in Jade. Let the wig go ahead and sit in there, I think for another maybe 5 to 10 minutes. You see, I'm getting in there real good. And then by the time I take it out, I'm pretty satisfied and pretty over it at this point. This is like the 6th or 7th trial run. So I was like, oh, it's pretty pigmented. Definitely more aqua-ish in terms of the color than blonde. So I just went ahead and fully detangled the wig, as you're seeing here. And then after fully detangling it, it's time to blow dry, which took quite a long time, might I add. And I think it's because I made the wig so dense, because I created this wig from scratch. They just sent me the frontal and bundles. I think that's why the color was so hard to take, and also why it took so long to blow dry, because it was just so much hair. But anyway, I was able to make it work, and I was pretty satisfied with the results. So now I went ahead and cut some layers into my hair, because it was just a little bit too long for my liking, and I love layers and little swoops and whatnot. So that initial layer was kind of shorter than I thought it would be, but it's cool. I made it work. So yeah, just going in an angle with my scissors, trying to figure out the ideal length that I want, which I think I kind of decided on like boob length. So yeah, I go ahead and finish one side and do the same exact layers to the other. After I'm done cutting the layers to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the entire wig now. I wanted to make sure that I cut the layers prior to flat ironing, because I didn't want to have to flat iron more than what I needed to. Because y'all saw earlier in the day, I'd already been there, done that with flat ironing this entire wig when it was at its full length. So I didn't have time for it, okay? So yeah, went ahead and flat ironed the whole wig. Then after I finished flat ironing it, I customized it a little bit and then applied it off camera. Now I'm back and I'm just showing you guys how I'm flat ironing the wig to make the layers I cut in the hair work for me into like these little swoops I really like, because I kind of turn the flat iron outward and curve it. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but y'all can visually see what I'm talking about.
Alright, beauty gang, so these are my final results. Finally, as y'all see, I went through the trenches with this one, and I can't tell y'all how many times today I contemplated scrapping the whole video, scrapping the wig, and saying F it. But I thought it was important to show the good and the bad of like YouTube per se, or not even YouTube, but like I feel like a lot of people hold YouTubers to this standard of like perfection all the time, the way we do our hair, the way we put outfits together, whatever, and because we rarely post fails like this, you guys form that opinion of us. So I thought it was just important to keep it transparent and real with y'all and take y'all through this process that I went through. It was definitely one for the books. I'm pretty happy with how my hair turned out though. Definitely not mint. It's definitely like a turquoise teal mermaid. Let's just call it mermaid. It's a mermaid color, which I'm fine with. I like mermaid. I feel like I'm slaying it. I think I'm doing the damn thing, but I hate how long the process took. So note to self, I probably won't be using express colors anymore. But anyway, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you appreciated the trial and error that I went through and I showed you guys. By the way, if anybody's interested in this hair, the link to it will be in the description box below, along with a direct link to Ali Annabelle's website. And I said it on my Instagram story, so I'll say it on here too. I'm really interested in asking them to send me the same exact hair, and I'm thinking of just rocking it as it is, like blonde. Like I really love the texture and its fullness, and just the density of this hair is really nice. So yeah, I definitely would be interested in trying this hair again. I do like it a lot. So yeah, links in the description box below. Before I let you guys go though, I do want to do my post notification shout out. So today's post notification shout out goes to Janice Brown. JENNICE ICE Brown. Really hope I said that right. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being part of Beauty Gang, and thank you so much for being part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Then hit that bell button after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, go ahead, hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Notification Gang, hashtag Beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're part of that ride or that circle. You have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, y'all. Guess I could give y'all a quick 360 all I went through to get this hair together. Came out pretty cute. Pretty cute. Alright, but please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe again if you are new. And until next time, guys. Bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own me. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.